Hello and welcome to another video of The Print. I am Ruchi Bhattar and this video is about how a nearly 25-year-old dispute between two confectionery giants, Mars and Cadbury, over who really owned the word celebrations finally got settled. Hint, they chose peace over rivalry. So what's the story? Earlier this month, the Delhi High Court brought the curtains down on one of India's longest running trademark battles. The fight over the ownership of the word celebrations. Both Mars, the maker of Snickers, Twix, and Galaxy, and Cadbury, of course known for Dairy Milk and those famous purple gift boxes, had launched chocolate assortments called Celebrations way back in late 1990s. What started as a simple overlap in branding soon escalated into a full-blown trademark war, with both companies filing oppositions and rectification petitions before the Indian Trademarks Registry and abroad. And this went on for nearly 25 years. How did the Delhi High Court step in? Now, earlier this month, Justice Sanjeev Narula in the Delhi High Court finally brought closure to this sweet saga. The case, officially titled Mars Incorporated versus Cadbury India Limited, was decreed under Order 23 Rule 3 of the Civil Procedure Code, which basically allows a court to record a lawful compromise between two parties and make it a binding decree. Both Mars and Cadbury filed a joint settlement agreement signed on July 3, 2025, agreeing to withdraw all their legal actions in India and before the Trademarks Registry. So Mars withdrew its case and oppositions filed against Cadbury Celebrations, and Cadbury did the same against Mars Celebrations brand, legally meaning that both brands Mars and Cadbury can use the term celebrations in their own way. But what makes this judgment truly stand out is the tone that the court struck. Justice Narula's order read more like a festive message than a courtroom decree. He wrote, and I quote, "An expression of happiness and festivity became the epicenter of legal contests. Today that the long journey finds its conclusion, the curtains are drawn at last, not in discord, but in harmony." And then this line that stole the show was him saying, by choosing an amicable solution, these two reputed companies, once adversaries, have together restored the plain sense of the trademark they long contested. Celebrations now denotes joy that is shared and not divided. In a voluntary gesture recorded by the court, both Mars and Cadbury agreed to distribute rupees 5 lakh worth of their confectionery products each to school children across Delhi in the festival of Diwali. Justice Narula emphasized how the festival of Diwali is about sharing and renewal. True celebration lies not in the triumph over other, but in generosity towards others, he said. And because the court was mindful of schools that may discourage sugary foods, it added a thoughtful safeguard, noting that if any school objects, the companies must offer nutritionally balanced alternatives of equivalent value. So, what began as a 2-decade corporate rivalry ended with a Diwali gift, not just for companies involved, but for hundreds of Delhi school children who will get to unwrap chocolates that symbolize something far bigger than branding. Thus, this case served as a reminder, like Justice Narula said, reflecting that even in fiercely competitive industries, corporate rivalry need not eclipse social responsibility. True celebration lies not in the triumph over the other, but in generosity over others. With that, thank you for watching.